Hi, Noah here with HA-5. We're here today courtesy of Lawrence Douglas County Fire Medical. We're here to go over some of the basics of responder to responder or R2R Collision Prevention Service through Safety Cloud. Now, the basics are quite simple. Much like R2V, responder to vehicle is designed to give the motoring public awareness of when responding units are en route or on scene. Responder to responder is designed very similarly to give responders about 10 to 15 seconds advance warning that there's a potential collision course ahead with another responding unit. In a larger apparatus like an engine or a ladder, the LED indicators are going to be mounted to both pillars on either side. This is going to give the driver as well as the officer or the captain more chance at noticing the alert, and obviously the crew is going to communicate inside the cab. In a smaller vehicle like an EMS or a medic unit, you might just have the one unit fixed somewhere in the middle of the dash. But either way, the system is going to perform the same way. You know your area better than anybody. So if you know you're coming up on a blind intersection or a blind turn or just navigating a dangerous intersection, if that indicator is flashing, there is another first responder unit. It could be EMS if they're connected to the system. It could be law enforcement if they're connected to the system. It could be your own agency, and you could be responding to the same call. So the system is designed to flash, to give you ample time to just be safer, be a little more alert, and take appropriate action. If you're responding in tandem with another unit, the system is designed to recognize that. So you shouldn't get alerted. If you do get alerted, it might happen once at the point at which two vehicles converge, depending on where they're coming from. But once they're moving in tandem, that shouldn't happen again, if at all. As long as the emergency vehicle is connected to Safety Cloud, it's going to alert. Naturally, you need the LED indicators to receive the notification that another responding unit is nearby. However, if that unit doesn't have responder to responder, if it is on Safety Cloud, it is still alerting other vehicles on the platform. Your vehicle does not need to be running code or responding to be able to receive responder to responder alerts. You might be in normal traffic coming back from a call. Your crew might be out to lunch. If that vehicle has moved in the last 10 to 15 seconds, that vehicle will still get alerted by another responding vehicle nearby. And so that's it. We here at HA-5 hope you now have a better understanding of responder to responder, and we hope you stay safe on every call.